Hello. I am the THT-EX-'s safety guard. Today, I'm going to teach you about explosion-proof warning lights and how to wire them. In an explosion-proof warning light system, a red light indicates an emergency, a dangerous situation, or a signal that requires immediate shutdown. A yellow light typically indicates that the system is in operation or in a ready state. A green light signifies that the system is functioning normally or is in a safe state. European Union standards have added colors like blue and white to provide more distinct status information and safety signals. Now, let's learn how to wire them correctly.
While the wiring may appear complex, the process is straightforward.
These two wires are the power supply lines. Positive power line, negative power line. Purple wire is common line for steady light. The brown wire is for flashing. This gray wire is the buzzer line. This red wire is the red light. Yellow wire is the orange light. Green wire is the green light. This wire is the ground wire. Connect the two power supply wires to the positive and negative terminals, respectively. Purple steady common to red wire, steady red light. Add a yellow wire, steady orange light. Add a green wire, steady green light. Connect the brown flashing common to the red, flashing red light. Add a yellow wire, flashing orange light. Add a green wire, flashing green light. Connect all lights to the brown common for a simultaneous flash. Connect brown flash common, gray buzzer, and red. Red light flashing and buzzer. Connect purple steady common, gray buzzer, and red wire. Steady red with buzzer.
Have you mastered this?